guys, this is a brand new live show. Today out off here. Today this is gonna be a live show, So today ch.chater made a tweet about he made a Twitter they're called animation is we are repairing this. That means animation in real life is getting repaired today. So I'm gonna beat domination mode again and I extremely don't use Twitter at all. My ch.chaters use that. Make some kind of stuff like some crazy stuff. No, I'm just targeting the pencil. We're behind it. Nobody can steal it. Don't tell anyone. Oh God, you tell everyone. Lol, I got it. Hello, this triangle is yours. Hello, how's it going? I'm going to become the destroyer to break die fight. Actually, you mean it was a joke, right? See? Yeah, you get it. It was a joke. Okay. Hello. Hello, how's it going? Can you give me this? I'm only damaging by using a body. Hello. Now I'm shooting. Come on. Body damage. No, it's the net. The NE diamond. That's become the machine gun. Very. Okay, now I'm the machine gun more than my gun machine. Okay, sorry for that mini clip. Just trying to make a joke on it. It was all just a joke. See, the word was joke because I was joking. It was not a live show. I very trolled you. Very troll. Or was it? You always suck at this. Hello. I never heard of you. You look like a new friend today. Hello, Dominator. I can't remember. SW. Come on, let's protect Dominator. SW. Okay, so I was just not joking because it was a live show. I am using machine gun to destroy pensions. Hello, you look at me. Can I shoot? You mean it's gone? This is not part 5 today. This is just still part live. The part, the live show. Hello, you look like a quadrant. That's really I want a penta shot is in there. And spread shot. And there's a stalker. I wonder who can evolve into Smasher. I wonder the Dipe evolves into a Smasher. I wonder Tank can evolve into Smasher. Hello, Octo Tank. I want to like you, but you look very satisfying. Hello today. My new friend, Dominator SW. There, hello. I broke this game. Can I shoot you? Free Dominator. This is freedom. No, red is winning. Only there's no timer. So, we can... I wonder we can still do this. Let's protect and dominate. They could be here. Oh no, dominate. Did you get damage? Oh no, it's got damage. You're not gonna do big damage, my friend. Dominator double. I mean SW. I'm very confused on Dominators. Dominator SW. Why do you seem like You can never move. Smashers move, but you don't. Another arena closer can move. Never heard of that thing. Dude, just shoot at this. Yeah, shoot this way. Don't shoot this way. Another is not getting damaged. Oh, dude. Yes, our friend is doing it. Our friends are doing. Actually, they're not quite friends. Maybe this is my new friend, Dominator SW. Okay, our Dominator NE was that. Wait, what? It's actually stupid shot. Hello. Shoot this. Shoot this guy. Shoot this flank. Shut up, McCann, and stop distracting me. I will be the fastest. Feel the fastest. Feel the fastest. Okay. Shoot this guy. Hello. Can you shoot this guy? Yeah. Why are you shooting my friend? How dare you shoot my... I don't know we should shoot my friend. And Dominator SW. I want new friends. I want to get new Dominator friends. You don't look... I want to be with this. I'll be the destroyer. I'm suspicious to you, flank. Okay. Are you attacking the flank? Come on, kill these guys. Stop attacking my friend. I want to attack my friend. Dominator S. Did you hear me? You didn't? I said SW. You didn't remember the word. Lols. Hello. Why do you seem weird? Hey, you're destroying square gangs. Triangle gangs versus squares. I'll save the triangles. And I'll save the... Let me help. There, I helped you. Thanks for making me the Pongy Shutter. Hello, destroyer. See if I'm gonna follow a pentagon. Time to destroy you. I wonder we are going to completely chaos showdown of. You mean did I miss one? Remember? Oh no, there's red. Dude, I just body damaged it. Maybe I need... I can one-shot it. Maybe I could use a hybrid to beat everyone. Hey, let me help. There. Hey, you stop right there. It's complete chaos. I wonder when you'll come back. Oh no, they're coming. No, they're coming to me. I don't know why minions are gonna come on me. Hello. I need to... Sorry, I can't protect you. I need to run. Come on. I'll wait until it's the final Dominator. Actually, I don't miss my teammates. My teammates actually are not... I psyched you. Yay! Yeehaw! Hello. Okay, time for the final complete chaos. This is where our friends live. I want to destroy their friends. I want to try if I can kill. What happens if I get close to their side? Come on. Come on, spread shot. in Pentashot. Let's do attack. Hello, you should stay away. I'll follow you where you're going. Okay, I wonder if I killed that guy with too many numbers. He's escaped. He's attacking the other one. I wonder if everyone's gonna defend. I'll go round the Dominator. So he's not trying to target. Oh, I need to dodge the shots like a skiller. Dodge the side of the Dominator. No, oh no! Go away. Let's die. Wait. I haven't killed him. I haven't killed him. Maybe the Dominator. Wait, maybe the Dominator killed him. Hey Dominator, did you kill him? Yes. But I didn't see him get killed. Hello, Ponger. Hello, Bonker. I just killed you with my body. My legendary body. I'm gonna kill 3 people. Oh, it's you, the real guy. Oh, so I killed you. The Dominator lied to me. Wait, I haven't killed him. He's cheating on me. And maybe I'm cheating on the Dominator. Whoa, these were arena closers. There are 2 of them. Never seen this. Okay, subscribe and like. See you on the next one. Goodbye.